Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are good and fine. Fourth class, term 2, subject social. We will start our lesson remaining. In previous class, we will explain our national symbols. In that, we will remaining. Today we will continue. Yes, our sixth lesson is our national symbols. In this lesson, we will read about our national symbols. What our national flag, our national anthem, our national emblem, our national bird, our national flower. In previous class, we will explain national flag, national emblem, national anthem. Today, we will explain our national animal. What is our national animal? The Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. Tigers respect grace, strength, and power. What is our national animal? That is tiger, Bengal tiger. This is our national Bengal tiger, Royal tiger. Now see, to protect tigers, a special project called Project Tiger was introduced by the government. Today they are protected in the many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in India. तो अपने national animal क्या है? What is our national animal? Royal Bengal tiger in our national animal. Tiger respect अपन को represent करते tiger. Strength and power tiger से अपने को represent and strength आता. Next, national bird. The peacock is our national bird. What is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird. It is a beautiful bird with a long blue neck, a fan-shaped crest, and a tail of feather. तो कितना beautiful रहता peacock. See here, we can see this is our national bird. This is our national bird. We can call this is our national bird. This is blue color and this is green, and so we can call it our national bird. The bird has an important place in Indian art and culture. In some states, the peacock is considered scared. तो अपन का Indian art है वो क्या our national symbol में our national bird in Indian art है, that is Indian art states. Some states में peacock is considered scared. Next, national flower. The lotus is our national flower. What is our national flower? Lotus is our national flower. It grows in the water of ponds and lakes. तो national flower कहाँ पर रहता? Lakes and ponds. It blooms mainly in summer and after the rains. ये ज़्यादा कब अपने को कब होता? In summer season and after the rainy season. The lotus has been widely used in our art and culture. अपन ये art and culture अपन को अच्छा उतारने भी आ सकता है. We can try it at your home. Okay, students, our national symbols represent the ideas and culture of our country. So today we will learn about our national symbols, that is our national flag, national anthem, national song, and national animal, national bird, national flower. Today we will learn these things. Now today we will learn about our objective. Next, let us revise. The national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national animal, Royal Bengal tiger, national bird, peacock, and national flower, lotus are symbols of our country. This is also our symbols of our country. We must respect our national symbols. We must stand at attention when the national flag is hosted or the national anthem is sung. Our national emblem is the official seal of the country. Okay. Now today we'll explain this. Write T for true or F for false. We must respect our national flag and national anthem. Yes, this sentence is correct. You should write here T. Satyamev Jayati is written on our national flag. No, this is wrong sentence. Satyamev Jayati written on national emblem में हुआ था. So this sentence is false. Our national emblem was taken from a pillar in Sarnath. Yes, this sentence is true. Our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, this sentence is true. The peacock has a long blue neck. Yes, this sentence is true. The lotus grow in rivers and streams. No, this sentence is false. I hope you can understand today's topic and objective type. So thank you, students. Your homework is write true or false homework one time in your social notebook. Thank you, students.